Milkybar white chocolate cheesecakes with a blood orange curd center. Okay, we just combined the sugar and corn flour. We're just whisking that until it's, and a pinch of salt. And we're just going to be whisking it until it's combined. Now we're adding the 40 mils blood orange and zest. Heat. Until it starts to steam. Also add the egg yolks. So I've kept it on medium low and it's thickening up quickly. Okay, so we've added the 250 grams room temperature cream cheese. We've got the 35 grams of caster sugar in there and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to whip this up with the whisk attachment until it's combined. Now that the sugar's nicely mixed into the cream cheese, we can add the 150 mils of cream. And we can add the cooled down gelatin that we melted. Okay, so now we're filling these about 2/3 full. So we're just popping out the frozen curds, making them into a ball, like so. Just try and squeeze them together. Trying to keep that ball shape. And then we just put that frozen ball in the center. Whoops. And you continue with the others. Okay, now we just pour a little bit more over the tops. Make them flat. We still want a little bit of room for some crumbs to go on. Okay, so I've just put a chopstick in. We're going to lift it out. Okay, and we're going to quickly pipe the prepared ganache. We'll start in the center. And we go. Oh, yeah, you're getting it. Okay, so here's the rose. We're just going to lay that onto a doily and put that straight back in the fridge so the ganache can set properly.